morning, or maybe good evening. So my name is Sofia Nur Kamila and I'm from Darul Hikam Secondary Integrated Lodaya. Today I would like to share to you some story that actually inspired from my experience with the title Two Girls and a Piece of Test Paper. Once upon a time, there's two students who learn and schooling in the same school, but they are totally different. One student named Claire, who is famous for her smart, and one other student called Fifi, who is famous for her kindness. In short, there's an assessment event coming up in a few days again. And one day in the school, seems almost all of students are busy. What kind of busy? Well, of course, they're busy for studying, learning, and understand about the material for the test tomorrow, including Fifi. But meanwhile, Claire, with her smart brain, she looks so relaxed. She not learn, she not reading, she not try to understand, even open the book. But while she looks around in her class, she spotted at Fifi, who seems like she had a difficulty to understand the materials. Oh my god, why learning math is so hard? I had made... No. Don't say that, Fifi. You can do it. I know you can. Then, instead of helping her, Claire laughed at Fifi. Just continue, keep spirit, Fifi. So many people felt that Claire's laugh at her. She stopped and closed the book, and she looked at Claire. Sorry? What are you laughing at, Claire? There is nothing funny to be laughed. Then Claire answered her. Well, actually, Fifi, I'm so sorry to say that, but in my opinion, your learning method is wrong. So now let me tell you a more effective, a better learning method that I usually use. Heard that Fifi feel furious, she not accept what Claire said, who claims her math learning method is better than hers. With an angry feeling, Fifi answered Claire's words. Sorry, Fifi. Sorry, Fifi. Claire, I know you are smart, but with your weird learning method, I guess it's not gonna work to other people, including me. And you know, at this point, there's a hot debate between Fifi and Claire. Oh my god, Fifi, how could you say that to me? I'm just trying to help you. No. You say that, you make me not mood to be study, and let's... The debate stopped after they make a deal, agree to have a rivalry between them to see tomorrow who can collect the test paper first, to see who's smarter. And shortly, the assessment event is happening, which is the next day. In a class, Fifi and Claire already sat beautifully on their chairs waiting for the test paper. Okay, students, don't forget to check again the questions after you dance, and after that collecting it, okay? And the test starts now. Then, as soon as they got the paper, they write their name. Then, before they do their question. They look at each other, then they talk to their own self that they can be each other's. Fifi know that Claire is smarter than her, but she believed she could beat her with her better learning method, while Claire believed she can beat Fifi with her, of course, smart brain. Then, in the middle of the test, Claire succeeds to collect the test paper first, before Fifi, even before other students, which is mean Claire's win this robbery. Short, the bell's ringing. The time's up. With heavy step, Fifi collects the paper to the teachers. She was feeling so sad because she knows she'll lose to beat Claire, and she thinks to herself, if she'd not spend time to checking the answer, she could beat Claire and winning this round. Then, before they went to their own house, Fifi saw Claire looking at her and she smiled. The smile was full of the meaning, specifically. But then, Claire's smile disappeared. And the next day, after she saw the magazine, the flow of students' score, and she saw her score, she ranked 2 from the 5 highest score. And can you guess who's ranked first? Yes, it's Fifi. Fifi win this rivalry. She beat Claire. Claire looks so confused. She don't understand how could be this possible. Oh my God, she could beat me. I believe that I could beat her. I'm smarter than her. How? After notice that, she feels angry. She wants to smash all her various pills to anything. But then she noticed in a little bit paper that she only got 1 question wrong, while Fifi, she got a perfect score, which just means she don't have a wrong question. Notice that she rushed to those class, and in the corridor she meet Fifi, her rival, her friend, I guess. Feel she has a mistake to Fifi. She came closer to Fifi and asked apologies. Hi Fifi. Anyway, congratulations for your you got a first place, but actually I want to say sorry about yesterday because I was too arrogant. I felt that I was smarter than you, said Claire. Then Fifi answered her. Claire, I understand you. I'm also want to say so very, very sorry that yesterday too, I don't want to hear your advice anymore because actually I'm jealous of you. After that, they hug each other and they laugh for no reason. And from that on, they become a good friend. From this, we can learn that, of course, in this world, no one knows some people's fates in the future. But one thing you should know, as a human being, never ever underestimate others. Thank you. Good night.